Question 4. The diagram on the right shows a suspension bridge. The function of the cables between two pillars is represented by this. So these are the two pillars. This is the cable. The equation of the cable is this. The minimum point of the cable is on the road surface. So this is the minimum point. It is touching the road surface at the middle of two pillars. So the minimum point is right in the middle of two pillars. Right. What is the distance between minimum point and each pillar? Okay. So let's find the equation first. Let's redraw this equation into a graph. So we know the graph is this one, follows this equation, something like that. It's touching the road surface. Okay. Oh, the road surface is somewhere up here. Okay, I just realized they said the x-axis is here. So the suspension bridge is higher, so there is some distance here. Alright, so let's find the minimum point first. So to find the minimum point, we need to do completing the square. So let's do that. Y equals to 1 over 400 x square minus x plus 150. So to complete the square, a has to be 1. So in this case, we have to factor this one out. So we'll be left with x square. And then negative x divide by 1 over 400, we will get 400x. Because this times this will get back into negative x. And then 150 divided by 1 over 400, this one you can do it using your calculator lah. 150, 1 over 400 is 60,000. Okay. Then to complete the square, we have to break it in between here. So x square minus 400x plus bracket square minus bracket square plus 60,000. So in the bracket will be b over 2. So b is this over 2. So it will be negative 400 over 2. Right. So this will be 1 over 400 x. Oh, here will be x, and this you must put it into a bracket. So 400 over 2 will be 200 square. And then this whole thing we can put it in our calculator. So negative 200 square plus 60,000. We get 20,000. Then we expand the 1 over 400 inside. We'll get 1 over 400 x minus 200 square. 20,000 times 1 over 400 is 50. Okay. So from here we get our minimum coordinate. So x will be 200. Y will be 50. So this point is 250. Okay, remember for x you have to change the symbol when you're taking it out. So negative will become positive. So positive 200. Right. So they're asking what's the distance between the minimum point and each pillar. Okay. So the distance between the minimum point and the pillar would be this or this. So in this case, we know, wait, let me erase first. Okay, so we know this is 0, the x here is 200, therefore the distance will be 200. So answer for A would be 200 meters. Right. Next, B. What is the height of the road above the water level? Okay, so they want us to find this height. So from here to here is 50 meters. Therefore, B will be 50 meters. That's it. Okay, so by finding the minimum point, we get to find the distance between the pillar and the minimum point. And we also get to find the height of the minimum point to the road. Sorry, the road to the sea level, water level. That's it.